Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to create this super gorgeous Indian black smoky eyes paired with a glossy lips, which you can definitely wear with your Western outfits or with your traditional Indian outfits. It's so wearable. At the same time, going to work on all Indian skin tones. I have paired it with my messy bun, but definitely you can leave your hair open and wear this look. I hope you're gonna like it. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So I have well prepped my skin. Before doing any kind of makeup, you just need to well prep your skin. Today I have used this Pack Moisture Lotion, which is one of my favorite products, which works so well underneath the makeup because it adds a lot of hydration to the skin. At the same time, adds a lot of glossy glow on the skin. The only downside of this product is that it has got very strong fragrance. Other than that, it performs really well underneath my foundation. Now it's time to move on to the eyebrows. I'm taking a spoolie and just brushing it through my brows to know the natural shape of my eyebrow. For the eyebrow kit, today I'm using Europe Girl Paris 3D Sculpt Eyebrow Kit, my holy grail product, and using the middle shade from the palette. And with the help of the applicator it comes with, I'm going to at first outline my eyebrow as usual. You know the drill. Now using small strokes, I have started on filling my eyebrow with the help of the same product, and this product is very pigmented. It's perfect for using on an everyday basis as well because it's powdery in texture, so you can do your eyebrows with the help of this powder eyebrow product very fast. I'm doing the same thing on my left eyebrow, just outlining it and filling it in. Now using a spoolie, I'm going to distribute the product just on all over my brows. If you want a more like a bushy kind of soapy eyebrows, you can definitely add your eyebrow gel on top of this and you're going to get that bushy kind of look. Now I'm just cleaning out the edges of my eyebrows with the help of a concealer and a flat shader brush. This part is completely optional because it's an additional step which I mostly do because I want my eyebrows to look really prominent. It helps in just hiding those baby eyebrow hairs surrounding your brows. But make sure that you blend out the concealer really well so that it looks natural. It gets really well mixed with your foundation. Now for the foundation, today I'm using L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Cover Foundation in the shade 108 Caramel Beige. I'm taking a little bit of this and mixing the Faces Runway Ready Foundation in the shade Sand because the L'Oreal one is a super duper matte foundation. I don't like that kind of matte foundation, so in order to make it look a little bit dewy and a kind of hydrating on the skin, I have applied that hydrating foundation, the Faces one. Now with the help of this buffing brush from PAC Cosmetics, I've started on blending this in, and you can see this combination of foundation has given me more like a medium coverage, which is so wearable. At the same time looks really fresh and natural dewy on the skin, which I really like. It also has covered up my dark spots pigmentation that I have on my face really well, and I really like it. I am just blending this in very well, and you can see this is how the combination of foundation looks on my skin. Now it's time to put concealer. This is the Sugar Magic Wand Concealer in the shade 40 Breve. This concealer is a full coverage, very thick concealer. So I'm just applying it in the inner part of my eye, in the outer part of my eye, and also a little bit on my eyelid. But if you put a lot of this concealer, it's going to turn into a cakey one. So that's only the downside of this concealer. So make sure that you apply really less amount and then work with it. So I'm just blending this in using my favorite concealer brush. I'm also going to apply a little bit of this on my eyelid in order to prime my eyelid because today I'm going to create a very dramatic eye look. As you can see, I'm just blending this in. It has enough coverage to cover my dark spots, pigmentation that I have on my face, so it's very good if you want a more like a full coverage concealer which looks very healthy on the skin. So now to make everything look really seamless and more like airbrushed, I'm just using my stippling brush and running it on all over my face to remove all the patchiness and streakiness of the foundation and the concealer. And it just makes your base look really gorgeous. Now I'm going to use a cream blush, and it's the Daughter Earth a lip and cheek tint in the shade Pinot Noir, a beautiful kind of deep wine color having plummy undertone. It performs really well on all Indian skin tones. Using my fingertips, I'm going to apply it on the apples of my face directly and also a little bit on my nose. Now using my stippling brush, I've started on blending this in and you can see I'm just running it from the apples of my face towards the ears, and it is adding such a nice color to my cheeks which looks so natural. I really love the plumping effect of this cheek tint on my cheeks. You can say it looks so natural. It seems just you are glowing from within. I really like it, and I do use it on an everyday basis, guys, and it's one of my favorites of all time. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium, one of my favorites of all time. Now using this PAC 003 brush, I'm going to just apply it underneath my eyes only. I'm going to set my concealer only. I'm not going to set my overall face because I just want my base to be really dewy and glowy. So I'm just setting the areas where I get the most oiliness, like under my eyes, just on the bridge of my nose, around my mouth, because there I get the most smile lines. So I'm going to set that, and you can see my base makeup is pretty much done. It's looking quite good, and now it's time to move on to the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm using Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose, a palette. What a gorgeous, warm, neutral kind of eyeshadow palette. Perfect for everyone, perfect for everyday use. At first, I'm taking this rusty orange color, and with the help of this fluffy blending brush, I'm going to apply it in my crease and also a little above my crease and blend it really well. I'm just slowly depositing the color, and using circular motion, I'm just blending this in. And the shades are very pigmented, guys. At the same time, very buildable. So the quality of the eyeshadow palette is really good. I'm super impressed with the formula. Taking this chocolate brown shade, and with the help of this more of a buffing crease brush, like a tapered kind of crease brush, I'm going to deposit it just in the outer part of my eyelid and slowly just merge it with my crease shadow and blend it really well so that there is no harsh lines. At the same time, it helps in creating a depth as well as gradient on your eyelid. Make sure that you blend it really well to create that gradient. Taking that rusty orange shade again, and with the help of this fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend out the edges so that there is no harsh lines. Now it's time to create base for my smoky eyes, for which I'm using this black kajal by NYKAA. It's very pigmented, a jet black kajal, and it's very smudgeable as well. So you can use any kajal which smudges really well because you're going to smudge it. I'm also going to tightline my upper waterline with the help of this kajal, and you can see I have taken a pencil brush and I have started on smudging that kajal on my lid. So this particular step is helping me to create a base for my smoky eyes so that the shadow which you'll be putting on your lid sticks really well together. So I'm just smudging it really well. Now taking the black from the palette, I'm going to deposit it just on all over my lid like this so that it sticks really well on that previous base kajal that I have applied on my lid. So working with black eyeshadow is really tricky, so make sure that you blend out the edges really well with the help of the chocolate shade. This kind of black smoky eyes needs a lot of blending, guys. Blending is the key. The more you blend the shadows, the more it will look gorgeous on you. So I'm just blending out the edges and also applying the kajal very thickly on my lower waterline, and I'm going to smudge it again with the help of another shade. And you can see this kajal is very pigmented, one of my favorites. Taking that chocolate shade again, I'm going to use my pencil brush and smudge that kohl which I have applied on my lower lash line because I want a lot of drama going on my lower lash line, and also going to blend it furthermore using that rusty orange shade in order to match it with my lid color so that it looks even more smokier than before. And I really like this kind of smoky look, guys. I'm just applying a little bit of liquid eyeliner, but you don't have to do that if you are creating black smoky eyes. This is the PAC Double Volume Volumizing Mascara, one of my favorites of all time. It's so intense looking on my lashes. It helps in just separating my lashes and also adds a lot of volume to my lashes, and I really enjoy it, guys. And it's having a lot of fibers which adds a lot of definition and volume to your lashes. You're going to love it. I have applied this PAC Mink eyelash, my favorite staple eyelash of all time, in M75, and this is how it turned out. This is the MYGLAMM Pose HD Bronzer Duo, with which I'm going to contour my face. I'm using PAC 046 brush and applying that contouring product underneath my cheekbones, just on my forehead. And it's a very wearable kind of contouring product, guys, with which you can definitely bronze up your face, at the same time contour your face, and it works really well on Indian skin tones. And with the help of this PAC 215 brush, I'm going to contour my nose as well, just applying it on the sides of my nose using circular motion. I'm going to blend it really well so that there is no harsh lines and it looks gorgeous on the skin, guys. Today also I'm going to apply a little bit of bronzer. I'm using this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer, and with the help of my bronzer brush, I'm going to apply it just on the outer perimeter of my face in order to add a lot more sun-kissed glowy look to my skin. And since the eye makeup is very heavy, I just want my skin to look really warm. At the same time, I just want a lot of structure to my face. This is the COLORBAR Matte Illusion Blush in the shade Veiled Merlot, which I am using today in order to just top it off and set my cream blush with. So this is a complete peach blush and it's a matte blush, and it goes really well with intense smoky eyes, and it's wearable by most Indian skin tones, guys. I'm using my stippling brush to just apply it on the apples of my face, and you can see this blush pairs up really well with the kind of eye look which I have created today. For the highlighter today, I'm using RUMER Cosmetics Beach Vibes palette. This is one of my favorite highlighter palettes, guys, and mixing these two shades, I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face, like my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, a little bit on my forehead. And this is also having a beautiful texture, guys. It's not at all chunky on the face. It's worth your investment because you are getting 4 shades of highlighters in a single palette, and it looks gorgeous with most of your eye looks. In order to make everything look seamless on the skin, I'm just using my damp sponge and running it on all over my face to remove the powderiness of the makeup and the highlighters and everything. Also just going to highlight the inner part of my eyes, inner corner of my eyes with help of the same highlighter, mixing the 2 shades, and also going to highlight my brow bone with help of the same product. And you can see this is how my highlighted face looks like. I really love how it turned out. Now it's time to move on to the lips, for which I'm using purple soft matte lip cream in the shade Tug of War Time. It's a kind of neutral tone dirty pink color, which is wearable if you belong to fair to medium skin tones, but if you have created this kind of very intense smoky eyes, this shade looks very gorgeous on the skin, guys. It's very creamy, and when it sets, it's going to give you a complete 100% matte transfer proof finish, which is really long lasting. This is the star of the show. It's the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow, which I recently purchased, which inspired me to create this look, guys. I'm super duper impressed with the packaging, with the formula. It's such a stunning lip gloss. It's just like a twinkling, sparkling lip gloss, which is more of a rusty orange color, muted rusty orange shade, having lots of sparkles in it, which can be paired up with most of your lipsticks and lip liners, guys. And it is not at all sticky on the lips. It goes so well on all Indian skin tones. I'm going to set my face using MAC Fix Plus, and this is such a gorgeous product, guys. I'm going to let you know soon because it is just going to create magic on your skin. So adding my favorite big pair of jhumkis with this look, and you can see I have added MAC Fix Plus, and this has helped me in reducing all the powderiness of my skin, and it is looking so glowy, so dewy. And I have added my favorite dupatta with this jhumkis, and today I have created this messy bun, guys. I don't know how it's looking on me, and this is the finished look. So this is a finished look, guys. This is how I have created this very wearable, very gorgeous looking Indian black smoky eyes, which you can definitely wear with your traditional outfit or with your western outfits. I hope you really like it. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. We'll see you soon. Take care. I love you so much. Bye, guys.